At Integrity Comfort Solutions, we operate on 5 core values: integrity first, service before self, excellence in all we do, safety always, and we serve as a team.
My favorite core value is integrity because, in my experience, honesty is always the best policy.
My favorite core value is service before self. I enjoy helping people. That's something I've always loved doing, is making other people happy, and that's why it's my favorite one.
I think my favorite core value here at Integrity would be the excellence in all we do, because I like to give people the best service and make sure everything is done right the first time rather than having to go back and redo it.
My favorite core value is going to be safety first. It's one of the few. It starts the minute that we wake up. We have to be operating safely in everything that we do, from getting ready to the job to everything that we're doing in your home, so that we can take care of your home and your family safely and get home to our family safe as well.
My favorite core value is we serve as a team, because when I'm in the field, I can pull from the support of that team to help get the job done fast and efficiently, and the client can take comfort in knowing that there's an entire expert team to get their system cooling by the end of the day.